Now it's time to talk about horizontal mergers and acquisition. From its name, it is horizontal, and that means two companies with similar or same products and services join forces and come together. That will guarantee that the new group will control the market and expand its businesses too much. But wait a minute here. Why would my company acquire another company if it is manufacturing same products or providing same services? A logic question here, right? No, folks, it has really too many synergies. If I have a company A, which is manufacturing toys, and I have 30% share of the market, and I wanted to acquire another company B, which is manufacturing same toys, with 30% share of the market. My market share now will be 60%. My company will have 60% share of the market, which means my group will dominate the market and control it, which is too much beneficial and good for my company. Let's see some examples to make things clear and to make the picture a bit clearer for you. A good example, I believe, might be for Heinz Group, when Heinz have merged with Kraft. Heinz and Kraft are in the same industry, providing same foods. In the year 2015, Heinz and Kraft have merged together. That horizontal integration of Kraft Foods and Heinz was valued at 46 billion USD. Imagine 46 billion USD. Created one of the largest food companies in the world now. It is a very good example to make things clear for you folks about horizontal mergers and acquisition or integration. And by the way, I just remember something here, folks, that I want to tell you before I forget. Let me explain to you the difference between horizontal integration or horizontal merger and something called horizontal alliances. I just remember that now. Horizontal alliance. It is a brand new term for you, right? You've never heard me talking about a horizontal alliance. But what a horizontal alliance is? It is possible for a company to achieve some of the benefits of horizontal integration, horizontal M&A, but without merging with or acquiring another company. Through what? Through horizontal alliances. A horizontal alliance among companies operating at the same level within an industry value chain. They are mainly producing same products. Also, it is known as horizontal cooperation. Not only horizontal alliances, it is also known as horizontal cooperation. That transaction can also enable businesses to team up in mutually beneficial ways. So, with a horizontal alliance, companies can set up a strategic contract with each other to collaborate on some level. But unlike horizontal integration or M&A, each participant continues to operate as an independent company, independent company, not like horizontal integration or M&A where one company only will be formed and both company A and company B will cease to exist. No! For a horizontal alliance, both companies will still exist individually. So companies in a horizontal alliance work together to improve their position in the marketplace. For example, by uniting to provide complementary products or services to customers. Also by pursuing economies of scale in a certain aspect of business, like logistics or distribution, or collaborating on developing or setting standards for a innovative new product. So here folks, my students who are going to be M&A specialists, if you folks are in charge of negotiating a horizontal integration or M&A deal, but you failed, you can also look for something else called horizontal alliances or horizontal cooperation. So it is not the end of the world, folks. If you are in charge of leading and negotiating that horizontal deal, but you fail, you can also look for a horizontal alliances or a horizontal cooperation.